Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Infogurt. Today we're going to learn how to create a password in Microsoft Word 2007 documents. So let's get into it. First you have to write in Run Word. Microsoft Office Word 2007 page will open. Then you have to write anything over here and just save this file. Go to the save options and here I'm going to save it in desktop. So select desktop and you have to create file name. You have to write anything. I'm writing protected documents and then you need to save this file. Then click on save and close this windows. Then you can see your protected documents files. Double click on this. Go to here. Then click on prepare, then click on encrypted documents. Here you need to create a password. I'm going to keep password 1234, okay, and need to re-enter the password 1234, okay. Then you have to save this file. You can close it and you can save it from here also. And now you double click on the protected documents. Then here you can see the password option. Without giving password you can't enter into this protected documents. So I am giving 1234 password, the page will open. So this is how you can protect your documents with password. This video will help you. So always thanking you guys for watching this video. Catching more in my next tutorials. If you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share with others. Thank you.